guests, respected teachers, respected parents, and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Yash Maruti Suryamshi. I am studying 7th standard. Today I am going to speak Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a great leader of India. He was born on 14 April 1891 at Madhya Pradesh. He is personality and hero of our country. His father's name Ramji Sakkar. His mother's name Bhimabai Sakkar. His childhood, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar faced a lot discrimination, but he never gave up. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar died 6 December 1956. He is 1990 awarded a highest civilian Bharat Ratna. He is for all us. Thank you for everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.